planers are used for removing extra wood from your project instead of using sanders or hand planers. Things you will need: PPE. This includes a boiler suit, steel toe boots, a mask, goggles, ear protection. You should also ensure that you have a first aid kit nearby when working with tools. You'll also need a table vise or a G-clamp to firmly secure the material that you need to be planed. You'll also need the electric planer. Inspect tools for any damage prior to use. Check the casing for cracks and damage. Inspect the cords for defects. Check the plugs and switches for damage. Follow good housekeeping procedures, i.e. keep your work area tidy. Ensure the user is properly trained. Ensure the cutter blades are maintained. Check when the tool was last serviced. If the planer is plugged into an extension lead, it must also be checked and its cord checked, and make sure it has been serviced. Before use. Warning: electric planers are aggressive tools and can get out of control. Always take care not to remove more wood than intended. Make sure the wood to be planed is finely clamped down. Firmly clamped down. Hold the planer in both hands, holding the rotary knob located on the top front of the planer. Switch on the planer. You are now ready to plane. Hold the electric planer tight against the edge of the wood piece using the saw blade of the planer. Ensure the lead is out of the way at all times. Clean your work area every so often. Before setting down the planer, ensure the blades have stopped turning completely.